Hi, everybody. Welcome to another mini adventure. Thank you all so much for supporting the podcast. So this month, we're going to look at geocaching fun facts. You may or may not know these. Hopefully you find them fun. Fun fact number 1, geocaching was originally called the Great American GPS Stash Hunt. Dave Ulmer, hider of the first geocache, called his big idea the Great American GPS Stash Hunt and posted about it on message boards. Ulmer stated the only rule was to get some stuff, leave some stuff. As we all know, it later became geocaching, which is a lot easier to say than the Great American Stash Hunt. Fact number 2, the game was almost called planeteering. On May 26th of 2000, Ulmer posted that he felt the word stash may be taken negatively and suggested the name of the game needed to be changed. There were several alternative names suggested, including planeteering and geosat planeteering. It was Matt Stum who came up with the name Geocache instead of Geostash. Can you imagine calling the game planeteering? That would be interesting, although if it had been called planeteering, we wouldn't have known the difference. Fun fact number 3, there is a webcam cache in Antarctica that nobody has ever found. I checked that again as of today's recording, and it still has not yet been found. It was placed March 4th, 2003. It's called Antarctic Views, GCDECD. It has yet to been logged as found. At one point, the camera was actually covered in ice, so even if you had gotten to ground zero, you wouldn't have been able to log it because the camera was iced over. It has since been remedied and de-iced. There is a website to check out the live footage if you want to, and I'll include that in the post for this. Fun fact number 4, geocache was added to the Scrabble dictionary in 2014. In 2014, Scrabble creators Hasbro decided to add a new word to their dictionary for the first time in 9 years. They held a contest where people got to vote on the words. Geocache beat out words such as Bitcoin and cosplay and was added to the official Scrabble dictionary so it can officially be used in the game of Scrabble, and it will score you 16 points if you place it without any of the bonus squares. Fun fact number 5, Groundspeak headquarters is also known as the Lily Pad. Can you guess why? Signal, of course, that comes from the mascot Signal the Frog. Signal was designed by artist Koko, K-O-K-O, and first appeared on a t-shirt back in August of 2003. And fun fact number 6, the very first official travel bug was placed in a cache in August of 2001. You may remember when I talked to Mountain Bike 10, the father of the Geocoin. He created the original Stash Hopper, which was the little buddy that traveled from cache to cache. The first actual trackable, though, was placed in 2001. It was called Deadly Duck Envy. It's TB1. It was released by Jeremy Irish, August 30th, 2001. It has been marked missing for quite a while, but you can still view the trackables page, and I'll have a link to that in this post as well. I hope you enjoyed this mini adventure, and hopefully you learned something new and had fun along the way. Thanks, guys.